my unique queens, Quiana Unique here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another unboxing of the Your Natural Hair box. I'm super excited. Can't you tell? Before I open this box, I would like for you guys to go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you are not already subscribed. If this is your first time checking out Miss Unique here. Miss Unique, yes, Miss Unique. I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any videos that I have coming up soon, as well as that bell so it will notify you when I upload a video. All right, without further ado, let's open this box. Okay. I'm always having a hard time opening this without like dropping everything out. All right, see? This is the lovely model on the front cover of, this was May. I'm starting to keep up a little bit, you guys, but this was May, and she is absolutely beautiful. Not gonna open it though, not gonna open it. I will open it in a little while. Want to actually see what's in here. So let's see. Come on. Oh. We have, this looks like it is a takeover, you guys. It is. This whole box is from one line. Let's see what's inside. Okay, we have a full box takeover, and the first product here, all of these are from Talia YG's Black Earth products, okay? This one is a protective mist. It's a leave-in conditioning spray. Hydrates and moisturizes hair and your curls, girl. Softens and conditions with olive oil and wheat germ extract. All right, this is the first one, spray bottle. It looks kind of thick, you guys. I've never had anything in a spray bottle that was thick. Like, look. Interesting. Definitely leave any comments down below if you've tried any of these products. I have not tried any of these products, as well as I have not tried this brand. I try a lot of stuff and I have not tried this brand, so this is very interesting. So anyway, this is the first one. Let me see if there's anything in here that gives you a little bit more information about this product. And it's at the end of the list, so this is probably what I should have picked up last. Okay, let me read a little bit of this. This amazing mist coats and protects hair to eliminate breakage and split ends. Like, that's the part that I seen out of all of that, and I think that everybody would appreciate in this product alone. All right, so this was the first one that I picked up, but the last one on the list. Let's move on. Okay, this here is product number 2 that I decided to pick up out of here. And this one is the Clean and Curly Hydrating Shampoo. No wonder I picked that. That should have been last, yeah. Okay, so the Clean and Curly Hydrating Shampoo cleans, moisturizes, and hydrates hair. Controls frizz, enhances curls, softens hair, stops tangles, with vitamin E. Now, and this is a pretty thick shampoo. You know, I like some really thick shampoos. Okay, next we're gonna pull up the Detangler. This is a leave-in conditioner and co-wash. Leave-in conditioner and co-wash from the same line. This has coconut oil, aloe, and soybean oil. Softens hair, defines curl pattern, stops breakage while combining curls, kinks, coily, and wavy hair. hair detangler is rich with moisturizers, protein, and conditioners. Wow, that just sounds amazing. I wish I could smell it through here. I think I kind of can. They have it taped so it wouldn't waste in the box, all that. So, all right, I went through 3 products. There's one more left in here. So let's see. This is the Curly Curl Cream. The Curly Curl Cream. This is an extreme curl definer. No build up or frizz. Moisturize and conditions hair with shea butter and sage. Okay, let's see. Oh, wow. It smells really good. Can you guys see the... It's a whip. Let's see. That's kind of... Can you guys see that? It has a sweet scent, and if you're heavy-handed like me putting these products on your hair, the scent may get a little overwhelming, but I like the way it feels. All right, this is for curly, kinky, wavy, and coily hair textures. So we have the amazing takeover in this box. I'm trying to hold it all full sizes, you guys, all full sizes. Whoop. I'm juggling them all right, you guys, see, all full sizes. This box, this subscription box comes every month, and it gives you full-size products for you to try. And you only spend about $25 for this subscription. It is well worth it. This video is not sponsored. I am just letting you guys know that if you want to try different products and you do not want to break the bank, then this is the way to go. Like, I have a whole line in my hands right now that I can try for a whole month, and then another box is coming. And then I can try another brand or some more products, or maybe they'll bless me with a whole nother line. Like, it's just that amazing. Now I know you guys are all wondering, if you are just tuning in to this channel, with my Your Natural Hair boxes, I give some of these products away. Sometimes I give the whole box away, and sometimes I keep the box for myself. Now, the last video of the Your Natural Hair box that I did not let you guys know what I was going to do with those products. And I'm going to share just a little bit here. I am deciding to hold a few of the boxes, and I am going to do a really big, huge giveaway. So I am not keeping the box from the last one, and I am not keeping this box. I am going to share it with you guys. Now, this giveaway is going to run a month long. So what I need for you to do, ladies and gents, if you want to join us, well, there are 3 things you must do to win this giveaway. I am going to have last month's box, the month before that box, and then this month's box. 3 boxes I will be giving away, but this is a month-long thing. You would first need to, of course, be subscribed to this channel, like all 3 of the videos. So the last one, this one, and the one that's coming. Like all 3 of those videos, be subscribed, comment on all 3 of those videos which box you want to win. Box 1, box 2, box 3, all 3. You never know what may happen. All 3 if possible. Don't know. Feel out how generous I may be. And we're trying to get the channel up to 6,000 subs. So we have 1 full month to do so. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, comment on what you want, if you want 1, 2, or 3, or all. Like, subscribe. That's it. And I held up 2 fingers the whole time. Like, subscribe. Comment, like, subscribe. That's it. Comment, like, subscribe. But on all 3 videos, you must comment and like. Don't forget that. All right, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enter to win. Good luck to you all. And as always, you guys, be unique. See you next week.